And this is big news coming in. The Indian airspace is now fully open for commercial operations. Remember, 32 airports were closed largely in North and West India. They've now been opened up. All of the NOTAMs, which is essentially notices to airmen related to the closure of these airports, have been cancelled. It's come on the instructions of the Indian Air Force. So normal aviation activity has resumed across the country. There were parts that were essentially restricted in North India, largely Jammu and Kashmir, in Punjab, Rajasthan, as well as in Gujarat, because of Pakistani drone activity, attempt by Pakistan to strike areas in these states. So India didn't want to take any chances and we closed down airports in these areas. Now, back to normal 100% aviation activity across the country. This will, of course, help in easing air traffic congestion, benefiting both domestic and international carriers. But it's important to highlight here that as far as flights, Indian flights flying over Pakistan is concerned, that's not going to resume for the moment. All the terms and conditions that we'd put forth, the diplomatic strikes that we'd slammed against Pakistan, that continues to be in place. What this does is essentially it ensures that all the airports that were closed off and the flights that were being cancelled, diverted as a result, all of that is back to normal. Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us with more details on this. A big relief, of course, Kamaljeet, for all the commuters from particularly north and western states where you had these airports being closed off as precautionary security measures.
Well, absolutely. A huge sigh of relief for those people who've been staying in North India, because several of the airports and key of them, Chandigarh, Jammu, what we're talking about, Srinagar, all these airports, now they become fully functional. The message is out and clear that NOTAM has been issued. So it comes as a huge sigh, because remember, there's a huge segment of commuters. And then what we saw was that especially the aerial part of it, especially the North Belt, which came under attack from Pakistan, be it from the drones and from the missiles. Now it says after ceasefire has been announced, the relief has been provided to people. But remember, this is a fragile one. The DGMOs are meeting. There'll be a press conference at 2:30. So it has to be an agreement, because remember, even when there was tensions, even Lahore airport was allowing civilian aircrafts. And meanwhile, India on a precautionary part had shut down its airports because they anticipated what was coming in from Pakistan. But meanwhile, once the threat is in abeyance, what we know is the ceasefire does stay in existence. But it also means that one has to keep continuously watching not just the borders, but also action of Pakistan. Because remember, what we've seen is Pakistan go back on its promises. But meanwhile, the precautionary measure which was put place, especially in 32 of the airports, most of which are falling in north of India, have now been withdrawn, which also means these airports become fully functional. The notification issued earlier till up to 15th of May.
So fully functional airports now, which means completely normal aviation activity across the country. Thanks, Kamaljeet, for those details.